Hi mga blind box! Welcome back to my channel and I'm Christoph Andrew once again. And I'm here to unbox this new set of blind boxes from Pop Mart. And guess what? These are all just freebies from their recently concluded Pop Mart Easter event. Imagine guys, they gave these all freebies and I just received all today and I'm so excited to unbox them and to share it with you. So ano pang inaantay natin? Mag-unbox na tayo! So guys, let me start with this first gift from Pop Mart. As you can see, we have nothing to unbox here kasi kitang-kita naman siya. It's a blister. So let me just remove this one, this plastic. This is a Cry Baby Mini Gradient Color Set. They have 2, 4, 6, 7. Ayan, ayoko na siya tanggalin. Tanggalin ba natin? Okay. Tanggalin natin siya. Ayun. Medyo may sticker siya dito. Oops, ayan. And then you just remove like this. Ayun. So meron pa siyang naka-plastic pa siya dito. Ayan, let me carefully remove it. Ayan. So it's just like gummy bears. Oh, 'di ba? Gummy bears na gradient colors, but it shows here na it's a mini Cry Baby. They called it a bean. Yan. Pop bean from Pop Mart. Ayan, super. Hindi naman pala siya malambot. Ayan, pop bean. They called it pop bean. Ganda ba guys? If you like this one, just comment down below. Ay, hindi ko makita. Ayan. Ganda, di ba? Freebies lang yan from Pop Mart. So guys, let me do the second unboxing. The Cry Baby Crying Again plush pendant. So we received this one. Actually, we got another first one on my recent vlog, and we got the Love is Love. Let me show you. So this is the Love is Love that we got before, and for today, I'm hoping that I'll get the Star Boy, or the Baby Brown, or Duck You, or Love as Cry, and What a Frog. So guys, let me do the second unboxing. I'm so excited. I don't wanna see any spoiler yet. Sana iba naman at hindi siya duplicate, di ba? So 1, 2, 3. Oh, kakaiba siya ngayon. Who's this? 1, 2, 3. Sino to? This is the rubber. I got the rubber. So it's totally different from the first one that I got. Medyo, ayan, tingnan nyo naman siya. So it's a cloud also. And Cry Baby here. It's like a morena. So tingnan nyo naman yung difference niya. This is the first one. And this is the second one. So I'm glad na hindi siya duplicate. And I'm so happy that I got these two differently. So guys, this is the third free blind box from Pop Mart. It's a Santa Claus Bunny Christmas. They have 369 different figurines. It's a Santa Cutie, Santa Claus, Snowman, Christmas Tree, Naughty Reindeer, Christmas Elf, Christmas Mary, Christmas Gift, and Christmas Eve Bear. And they have one secret here. So I'm aiming to get, I want the Snowman, or mas prefer ko dito, Christmas Eve Bear. So these two is my prio on this selection. I hope yun ang makuha natin. Are you ready now for the third unveiling of blind box? 1, 2, 3. Huwag muna tayo tumingin ng spoil. Oops, munti ko na nakita yung spoiler. Ready na ba kayo? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oops. Sino ito? Oh, it's cute. Kita nyo ba? Cute niya, no? It's a Christmas tree. Oh, okay. It's a Christmas tree. Yeah, she's wearing like a Christmas tree dress with a polka dot design. And meron siyang red bow here. And meron dito, ano ba tawag dito? Cookies? Gingerbread. Yan, gingerbread. Ganda ng details niya. Yan, may inclusion siya. Ito yung, sorry, natanggal. Ito yung stand niya. Ang ganda ng stand niya, oh. It's a snowflake. Kita niyo ba? Hindi ko nag-out of focus. Ayan, oh, snowflake yung stand niya. Ang ganda. Ayan, tayo natin dito. Ang ganda, oh. It's a snowflake. Kita nyo ba? Baba natin ng konti para makita nyo. Ayan. Let me show you the art card. Okay. Ito yung art card niya. Ganda, oh. Very holiday season bunny Christmas tree. Ganda yung likod niya. Yan. Ganda, di ba? Thank you. Thank you, Pop Mart, once again. Let me put it here. Ay, wait lang. Nasaan yung first ano ko ba? Na first na rin, napakita ko ito. Yung first, ayan. Then the second one, si Crybaby once again. Meron pala siyang sticker. Ayan, kita nyo ba? May sticker siya. Just like the same. And this is the third one that I unboxed. Si Bunny Christmas. So guys, let's me welcome once again our previous guest. Nagbabalik siya to help me unbox the following freebies from Pop Mart. So CJ, ikaw na.
Hi mga Flying Box. So yung next i-unbox natin, Pop Mart 14th anniversary. So actually meron na kaming ganito before. So nakuha na namin dito yung tatlo na yan. Sila Heroic Beggar, Fox Spirit, tsaka si Hirono. So, hopefully, wala kami makuhang duplicate. Pero aside doon sa tatlo na yon, ang gusto naming makuha is si ito, Butterfly Whisperer, Skull Panda, or Immortal, o kaya si Molly. Or pwede rin si Labo. Basta within this 4. And no duplicates. Ayan, sige. Saan na natin? Ayan. Sige. Saan natin? Kung natin kuha yung card. Let's see. Ano kaya ito? Ano walang duplicate?
Sana hindi siya duplicate. Actually, gusto ko si Moonlight Assassin din pala.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! Sakto! Gusto ko si Moonlight Assassin.
Ganda. Pino Jelly.
Si Pino Jelly.
Parang meron siyang sa buhok niya. Mga parang glitters. Hindi siya masyado. Yan. And meron siyang mga glitters. Iba yung color ng kamay niya. Parang buwan? Parang moon?
Yeah, it's a moon. Crater. Para siyang
Oh
crater
yeah,
ng
may mga
moon.
crater. Just look at his back. Parang siyang bandit na
Oo nga.
dahil sa ulo niya. Pero ang ganda. Cute rin
niya.
niya.
Ang ganda ng color gradient niya. Yung mga color combination. Para siya talagang jelly, no?
Yup. Tapos meron pa siyang inclusions. I think para to sa niya. Stand niya. Actually, good thing sa Pino Jelly, kahit wala na silang stand,
they can stand alone.
yeah, pero cute rin yung stand niya.
Stand niya, oo.
Ganda, may mga glitters rin.
Yep. So, it's an additional collection sa aming anniversary series.
Yup.
Yeah.
Pero I think ganito to, no?
Ganyan lang siya.
No.
Ayan.
Ganda.
Ganda. Na out of focus, ayan. Ganda yan. Ganda.
Sige. So, ito card niya, tinatawag siyang Moonlight Assassin. Yup. Sige, ganda.
Very cute.
Okay. Let's put this one here muna. Hi guys, so yung next i-unbox natin is Baby Molly When I Was 3. This also free from Pop Mart sa Easter event nila. So, eto dito, actually cute silang lahat. Cute naman talaga si Molly. Pero ang gusto ko makuha dito, either yung Cry Me a River, o kaya naman si Room Exchange, tsaka yung Baby Astronaut.
Ako gusto ko si XXL Crown. Ayun, no? In the second one. Ayan, si XXL Crown. Ayan, oo. Sige, sana o kaya secret na lang.
Yeah, pwede rin secret. Actually, sige, let's see kung sino yung makuha natin. Then, okay. Medyo di pa rin ako sanay mag-unbox.
Kaya mo yan. Be careful, no spoiler please. Okay.
Medyo
Ang
malaki.
ganda ng niya, foil niya,
Kaya
no?
nga, eh.
Ganda lang foil talaga ni Molly yung packaging niya. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go! Ay, wow!
Ay, ganda! Sino ko mo?
Ito yung gusto ko isa.
Ay, sino
Yung
ba?
room
Room
exchange.
exchange.
Ang ganda.
Nice.
Para siyang similar ng ano, birdcage.
Birdcage.
Ni Hirono. Ang ganda, oh. Look. Tsaka ang laki niya kumpara
Ay,
sa
tingnan niya.
ano,
The typical,
normal.
the typical size ni Molly.
Oo.
Yan.
Wala siya. Sige, let's tanggalin natin siya. Para makita natin lalo yung tsura niya.
Ah, so natatanggal pala to.
Oo. Yan.
Ayan, cute niya. Cute ni Molly.
Cute. Green yung eyes.
Emerald
Yeah.
eyes, no?
Yung back. Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Ay,
Sige.
cute.
Tapos yung ito, meron siyang parang bird cage. Tapos, meron siya inclusions para sa stand niya. Which is, wait nga, open natin.
Baba mo muna si Molly.
Sige.
Para mas Ayan.
Ayan. Meron siya inclusion ng stand, which is very cute. Merong small green bird. Tapos, meron pa siyang parang small hook here. Which I think sa taas siya ng ano. So, ganito yung tsura niya. Ayan.
Ganda.
Tapos meron siyang stand. So, I think ipapasok natin dito si ano.
Si Molly.
Si Molly. Ayan, sige.
Dito natin stand. Ayan. Oh, nice.
Ganda.
Ganda yung nakuha natin.
Oo, ganda. Oh.
Ayan.
Ganyan. Oh.
Ang ganda niya.
Ang cute niya.
Ang cute niya.
Yeah, ang ganda. Yeah. At yung card niya, Baby Molly Room Exchange.
Nice.
Very nice actually. Ganda. When I was 3. So very cute. Yun. Sige, lagyan natin muna dito. Hopefully meron pa tayong makuha mga cute na mga boxes later.
So guys, I'm back again to share to you the next box that we're gonna unbox, which is We Are All Kids by Ziga. They have 4 characters here. Si Healing, Observer, si Walking Hazard, si Watch Out for the Bad Guy, On Guard, Balloon Break, Outer Form, New Clothes, Snilding, Opening Act, Pretending to be Bad, and Losing Control. Actually, I got Opening Act before sa random blind box ko, and let me show it to you. So, ito siya. Si Opening Act, it's so cute. CJ is so cute here. So, I hope hindi siya ma-duplicate today. Let's open it now. And I'm so excited. Wait, ang prior ko pala na makuha dito, gusto ko si Pretending to be Bad or si Healing. Ayan, these two or New Clothes. So guys, let's do the unboxing. Wala mo ng spoiler. Oh, parang pareho. Oh no, parang pareho siya. So, 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Ay! Bakit ganon? It's a duplicate. Ayan siya, duplicate. So, wala na tayong magagawa. They are twins now. We can consider this one as Siga Twins. We can include dun sa series nila na Siga Twins. Ayan. Nice. But it's so nice. Ang ganda pa rin. See? Tapos, ito yung art card niya. Ayan. Na-duplicate tayo. This is my first duplicate, ha? Ayun, oh. Duplicate. Pero I can say na pwede natin siyang ilagay sa entrance, di ha? Ayan. Bayan. Pagsamahin na natin sila since magpareho naman eh. Ayun, oh, di ba? So guys, we got 2 Peach Riot from Pop Mart. The other one is Peach Riot. I'm not sure if this is a figurines, but it's already mentioned here. It's Gigi. And another Peach Riot, ayan, which is Frankie. I'm not sure if this is a clip or a ref magnet. So let me open first the Peach Riot Gigi. So, okay. First time ko kasi magka-Peach Riot eh. Kaya, open natin. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ano to? Parang siyang parang ref magnet yata to eh. 1, 2, 3. Hindi siya ref magnet. It's a, ano to? It's like a keychain that you can hook sa ano mo. You can hook your wallet, your keys, then hook to your pants. Ang ganda niya, oh. Pwede siyang pang regalo. Maybe I can give this one to my niece again. Peach Riot, GG. Ang ganda niya, oh guys. Tingnan nyo. Kita nyo ba? Let's remove the plastic para mas ma-appreciate nyo naman. Ayan. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, kita nyo ba? Ang ganda nyo. Ang ganda ni Gigi. Balik natin itong plastic kasi pang ririgala natin. Tapos, with the, I guess this is electric guitar. Ang ganda ng finishing. Remove natin yung plastic para lang makita nyo yung sa front niya. Ayan. Ang ganda, oh, di ba? Tapos ito yung holder niya. So, nice! Maganda siya pang regalo for teenager. Nalagay muna natin dito. The second one ng Peach Riot. This is Frankie. Let me open this. I'm not sure kung if this is same like keychain or para siyang ref magnet. Ref magnet ba siya? Okay, no, it's not a ref magnet. Parang siyang pin. Ayun, oh, pin nga. You can pin it down to your clothes or to your bag. Ayan, tignan nyo. Ang ganda niya. Then meron siya ditong pin sa likod and this is the lock of the pin. Ayan. Okay, so it's a pin. Badge pin siya, I guess. Nabubuksan ba to? Oo nga, nabubuksan siya, oh. Oh, okay. Para siyang CD cassette. Oh, di ba? At tumiikot siya, oh. Nice! It's so cool. Ang cool naman nito. Oh, Frankie, it's a CD cassette. Pag open mo, nandito sa loob yung CD. Ayan, and it's moving, turning. And you can pin it down to your bag, to your clothes, or anywhere you want. Peach Riot is so nice. Pang girly. Another gift for my niece. Ayan.
Hi guys, i-take over ko yung channel. Sige, yung next box natin will be from Chaka Light Sprite. Actually, kaka-unbox lang ni Chris last time. Which I think yung nakuha niya is yung, ito, yung Firewood. Which is nasa background ngayon. Yan, there you go. Yeah. So hopefully, gusto ko actually lahat sila. Wag lang magkaroon ng duplicate. Pero kung magka-duplicate man, sana maano natin. Mabigay na, natin sa ibang tao. Pero technically, ang pinakagusto ko dito is yung ito, yung Shadow of the Trees. Kasi ang ganda ng color niya. Color green. Nangingibabaw siya among the rest.
Ako gusto sa Aurora.
Aurora.
Ay, ito.
Oo nga. Ang cute rin. Maganda rin. Okay. Pero let's see, kasi makukuha natin. Let's see. No duplicates, please.
No duplicates!
Okay. Oh, okay. Parang may nakita ko inclusion dun ah.
Nakita mo na ba?
Parang, sige. Let's see yung sino.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, go! Sino to?
ay,
Wait lang.
niya.
Sino to?
Tingnan mo nga. Ay, ito siya.
Ay, Lightning.
Lightning.
Oh, wait. Tingnan natin kasi may inclusion siya. Okay, meron siyang inclusion. Pero let's tingnan mo natin yung figurine itself. Ang ganda. Yung buhok niya, parang meron mga, kidlat-kidlat.
Sa lightning.
Yeah, tapos nakaupo siya.
Ay, parang
Ganda.
meron siyang inclusion. May hawak siyang lightning.
Ito. Meron siyang,
okay.
meron siyang mga inclusions. Tatlo. One for the stand, which has a heart. Pero open mo natin. Sige. Okay, meron siyang stand. Yung stand niya para siyang fountain type, pero meron siyang heart on the upper portion. So I think ito yung, dito mo siya iupo. Tapos, aside doon, meron din siyang yung niya, candlelight, color blue, ganda, small. Tapos, last one, meron siyang kidlat. Since lightning yung niya, main niya, of course, meron siyang ganito.
Okay na.
Ayan. Sige, ayan. Saan yung mga inclusions niya? Sige, let's try to combine them together. Tsaka, para ba tayong itsura? Okay. Wait. Okay, yan na. Tapos dito yung niya. I think any to, no? Pwede mo siyang i-rotate. Kahit sa paanong paraan, ganyan.
Tapos may hold.
Tapos meron siyang hold. I think, saan ba to? Sa kamay niya ata, I guess. Dito. Ganda, ang cute niya actually.
Oh, ang ganda.
Wow.
Meron siyang hawak na lightning.
Yeah. Very
Very storm.
actually. So, ayan. So, ito yung card niya. A cute one. Though, very lang. Simple lang yung card nung tsaka light sprite. Pero, buwing-bawi naman sila sa figurine.
Ganda nung
so,
eyes
ganda,
niya. Oh.
Para meron siyang long helmet hanggang pababa.
Yung
Na
eyes
silver. Tapos yung ganda nga ng mata niya. Kumikinang. Parang talaga. Lightning. Yun lang guys. Thank you. Hopefully, makuha pa tayo maganda pang mga figurine.
So guys, let me do the unboxing. Second to the last, it's Animal Tea Party Pocky. It has 12 characters. Si Kitty Baby, si Ducky Baby, Poker Rabbit, si Moose, si Peafowl, si Pangolin, si Llama, Giraffe, Panda, Zebra, Blue Frog, and Squirrel Baby. And it has 2 secrets. And I'm hoping sana naman makasikat tayo for today. But if not, my prio here is si Moose Baby or si I like Zebra and Panda. So I hope either of the 3 or any of these okay naman sa akin because this is the first that we're gonna have the Pocky Animal Tea Party series. So let me do the unboxing. Okay, meron malaki siya. Okay, it's a typical foil ng Pop Mart, white and silver. 1, 2, 3, surprise! Ay! Oh, okay. Nakuha ko yung pryo ko. Si Panda Baby. Ayan, Panda Baby. Nakita niyo naman. He's wearing a panda suit and with, anong tawag dito? Salbabida. Ayan, ikot natin para makita yung details. Ang ganda niya. Pag nakatalikod siya, it's like a panda bear. Ang ganda, di ba? Let me show you the art card. This is my first time to get Pocky Animal Series, Animal Tea. Ayan, yung art card niya. Ang ganda oh. Simple lang. But it's so fancy. Panda Baby showing here. It has a blue eyes. Ayun, let me put it here. So guys, finally, we're gonna unbox the first prize freebie from Pop Mart. It's Cubo or Cubo. It's 200%. And it has one character only. It's like a blister. But Cubo 200 Loyal Puppy Series has a secret. Ayan. They have 2, I think, secret niya. Yung secret niya, it's like, tawag dito, dark skin, and Cubo original is like a white skin. So, I'm hoping any of the 2, but if I'm gonna get the secret from this series, it will be better. And for your information guys, this costs around 4,400 or 4,500 pesos in the website of Pop Mart. So, ang generous nila to give a freebie like this. So, let's open it na! Tingnan natin kung lucky ba tayo to get a secret today. This is the finale. Ayan. Medyo malaki yung box, kaya atras natin ng konti yung saan ba siya open? Okay, hindi siya yung parang ziplock open. It has a sticker here. Ayun, I'm not ready on here, so ito na. Excited. Oh, ay! Kita ko na agad. Spoiler. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ang ganda niya. Hindi siya yung secret, but look naman kung gaano ka-cute si Kubo. Di ba? It's 200 series. Ay, 200%. Ayan. Let me carefully hold it. Guys, tingnan nyo naman si Kubo. Ang ganda, di ba? Let me show you the 100% para meron tayong idea kung ano yung size ng 100%. So, this is 100% and this is the 200%. Actually, we had a Kubo before. So, let me show you. Ito, this Kubo. Ayan, oh. And this is the 100% and this is the 200%. Tayo natin siya para makita nyo yung difference niya. Ayun guys, ang cute nila. Oh, meron na akong baby Kubo at meron na tayong daddy Kubo. Let me show you the art card. Ayan, Kubo Loyal Puppy Figurines. Ang ganda niya guys. Even though it's not a secret guys, but tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda. Sulit na sulit. Ang ganda niya, di ba? Put it here. This is the finale. So, let me choose now my top 10. Top 10 ba? Okay. Top 10 agad. Top 10 pala sila. Let me choose top 5. Okay. So, of course, sino ba naman ang aayaw kundi ito ang ating first sa top natin, sa top 5 natin, si Kubo na 200 series Loyal Puppy Figurine. Of course, ang sarap naman na makakuha ng ganito, di ba? Free na free pa yan. Walang bayad. Second na nagustuhan ko, of course, Molly. Gusto din daw to ni CJ. Si Molly will be the second on the list. Of course, sino yung third mo? Puli ka. Si Chaka Sprite. Oh, ganda daw ni Chaka Sprite. So, Chaka Sprite Lightning will be our top 3 sa vlog namin today. Fourth spot will be, of course, gusto ko to, si Moonlight Assassin. Yeah. Ayan, si Moonlight Assassin will be our fourth spot. Ayan, tingnan natin. And the final spot will be ito, si Bunny Christmas series namin na Christmas tree. Ayan. For the figurines, these are the top 5 that we selected on today's vlog. I hope nag-agree kayo sa amin. If you didn't agree, let me know your comments down below. Pero kung nag-agree din kayo, just subscribe and tick the notification bell para ma-notify naman kayo sa next vlog namin. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and nagustuhan din nyo lahat ng selection namin today as a freebie from Pop Mart Easter promo program. Thank you so much guys. Sa uulitin. Bye!